Let's make some roast chicken in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. So I've taken half an onion, quarter of the peppers, red, green and yellow. You can use just one color pepper as well, and about 5 cloves of garlic. Everything is gonna go in there. Tablespoon of tomato paste in there, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 of paprika, 1 of salt, black pepper, mixed dried herbs, ginger powder, lemon juice, dark soy sauce, vinegar, oil. Now I'm gonna blend this. This is blended. I'm gonna pour the marinade in here. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. A bit of orange food color. This is optional. Mix it. Last thing is chopped coriander. Mix it one more time. One baby chicken here, and I've made some cuts in the chicken because I can't stand to have the marinade just on the skin and not inside the meat. So I'm just gonna marinate the chicken. I will leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours. You can leave it in the fridge for overnight as well. So just make sure to rub the chicken really well with all the marinade. Ready to go in the fridge. It's been like 2 hours. I'm gonna put the chicken in the air fryer. The chicken is gonna go upside down first. This is gonna go in the air fryer for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It's been 25 minutes and I'm gonna flip the chicken. Now I'm gonna air fry the chicken from this side for about 25 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. It's been like 15 minutes almost, so I'm gonna lower the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius now. Chicken is ready.